Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Before we get started, um, I hope you've watched my former videos on different equipment in Chinese. So today, what we have for today is car parts in Chinese. So if you're an automobile dealer, or you're just a car owner, or you just want to learn different stuff in Chinese and you come across these car parts in Chinese, I think it's very useful for you in your place of work, especially. Now, before we get started, please like and subscribe this video. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified so that you can learn more and improve your Chinese better. So let's go to the main page and learn different equipments in Chinese. So what you're going to do now is going to move. So right here, a list of common car parts in Chinese. So what we're going to do here is we're going to call the name in English. I'm going to show you the character. Then I'm going to pronounce the P. Then after I pronounce the P, I'll give you time to pronounce the P yourself. Then I'll now make a sentence. Then I now want you to make the sentence after me. So let's go. Number one is engine. That is car engine. You can see the character. Now, it is pronounced as fa dong ji. Fa dong ji. Now, can you say that after me? Good. Fa dong ji. Now, the sentence I'm going to make is a very simple sentence. I'm going to say this is an engine. So this in Chinese means jo. Is means she. Then fa dong ji means engine. So this is an engine means jo shi fa dong ji. Let me say it again. Jo shi fa dong ji. So can you say that? Okay, I believe you understand it. Now let's go to number two. Battery. Battery. The P means jian, dian qi, dian qi. So now can you pronounce that? Okay, let me make a sentence. This is a battery. Jo shi dian qi. Okay, can you say that? Good. Jo shi dian qi. So number three, what we have is a transmission, car transmission system. So it is pronounced as bian su qi. Bian su qi. So the sentence you're going to make for this one is a car transmission. So you say car means cho, cho, cho. So car transmission is cho bian su qi. Can you say it after me? Cho bian su qi. Okay, that's good. Now number four is the brake system of a car. The car brake system. So brake is sha cho, sha cho. You can see it, sha cho. So let's say car brake. So cho da, sha cho, cho da, sha cho. We use the here means brake of car. So in car brake in English is translated to brake of car in Chinese. So what they say there is car of brake. So cho da bian su qi, cho da sha sho. So can you say it after me? Good. The next one is tire. Tire means luan tai, luan tai. So car tire, cho da luan tai. Can you say it? Cho da luan tai. Okay, that's good. Now let's go to number six. Steering wheel. That is the wheel for driving. So it's pronounced as 方向盘方向盘方向盘. So car steering wheel is 车的方向盘车的方向盘. So can you say that? Okay, that's good. Let's go to number 7. Headlight, the light at the front of your car. So it's very simple. Da dong is the transliteration means big light. So cho da dong, I believe you know what it means. It means car headlight. Cho da dong. Okay, so can you say that? Okay, let's move to number 8. Tail light, that is the light at the back of your car. It is pronounced as way dong. So car tail light, cho da way dong cho da way dong cho da way dong. So can you see that? Okay, I believe you're understanding now. So before we proceed to the next one, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. I believe what we're learning here is interesting, so please let's take it to the next step. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. So let's go to the next one. We have spark plug, the normal spark plug for your generator. Your anything that has an engine has spark plug. So spark plug means huo hua sai huo hua sai. So car spark plug means cho da huo hua sai cho da huo hua sai. Look at number 9, spark plug, cho da huo hua sai. So can you say it? Okay, that's good. Now let's go to number 10. Alternator. So it's just like a generator. So it's pronounced as fa dian ji. So car alternator means cho da fa dian ji. Okay, now can you say that? Good. Now radiator is pronounced as san ro chi. Now can you see how I pronounced it? So car radiator means cho da san ro chi. Cho da san ro chi. Okay, can you pronounce that now? Okay, good. Car suspension is on number 12. So car suspension is pronounced as xuan gua xi tong. So car suspension is called cho da xuan gua xi tong. Okay, can you pronounce that? Okay, cho da xuan gua xi tong. Okay, that's good. Now let's go to number 13. We have fuel pump. Fuel pump is pronounced as ran your bong. So car fuel pump means is pronounced as cho da ran your bong. So I believe you're enjoying this lecture. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button, like this video, so that I'll feel encouraged to share more. Thank you, Now let's go to number 14. Car exhaust system. Now the car exhaust system is pronounced as bai qi shi dong, bai qi shi dong, bai qi shi dong. So car exhaust system is pronounced as 秋的白气系统，秋的白气系统. So can you pronounce it? Okay, that's good. Okay, this is number 14. Now let's end at number 15, which is what we have for today, the last one for today, for the part 1. Now we have air filter. Air filter. It is pronounced as 空气路径, 空气路径. So air filter is 空气路径. Now car air filter, 空气路径, 空气路径. Now can you say that? 空气路径. So I believe we have done this 15 for today. This is for the part 1. So you can check my other videos. You can see the part 2 there. After this part 1, I'm dropping the part 2. So by the time you're watching this video, the part 2 should be out. So check out the continuation in the part 2 of car parts in Chinese language. So thank you. Remember to like this channel, click on the subscribe button, and share this video. Thank you very much.